What would be the next group of letters or numbers in the following series? And then we have 4 elements here, and we need to detect a pattern among these elements to predict our next in series. Now, we may not be able to understand the total complete pattern here, but if we just understand how parts of each element are moving as we go across, this can help us get to our correct answer more quickly and more accurately. So if we look at the last letter of our first element, we notice it's the first letter of the next one. And this pattern exists as we are going across our elements, which means that since Y is the last letter of our last known element, we should expect it to be the first letter of our next in series. So we are going to eliminate any answer choice that does not have Y first. So now we're left with just 2 answer choices, and we need to determine, is A last or is W last? We're just picking one part of our last 2 answer choices, really the difference, so we can evaluate and see which one we should expect to be the correct answer. Now, when we look at our elements, we notice that the last 2 letters become the first 2 of the next, leaving the third to last letter as the last letter in the next in series, right? So A is third to last in our first element, and now it's last in our next in series. So that's also going to be true for our next one. So for example, L is our third to last letter, and then it is our last letter in our next in series. So as we go across, we see Y is the third to last and Y is last. So we see that W is third to last for our last known element. So in our unknown element, we should expect W to be last. So that's how we get that the 4th answer choice is the correct answer for this question.